Hello everybody, welcome back to Frontier Mentality. I hope everybody is well. So what are we discussing on Herbal Tuesday today? You notice a lot of places when I look up different wild herbals that they're saying they're weeds and they're not. It's because Big Pharma and them don't want you to know that you've got medicine practically growing in your yard or very close. So, what are we discussing today? We're discussing curly dock, also known as yellow dock. Like I said, it's not a weed. The thumbnail will have the picture. Historically is used for medicine properties. And it's wild edibles as well, so you can eat it. It's not just medical. So let's see, what does it do for our bodies? Let's see. Okay, to prepare carefully due to the oxalate acid contained. It's used for issues like constipation, skin problems, and blood purifier, but should be avoided by those who have kidney stones or certain GI conditions, and used with caution during pregnancy and breastfeeding. That was the only warning. I wanted to get that out of the way. Remember that you also have to contact your doctor or your pharmacist if you're using it for medicine. Now, just to eat it, if you do it in small amounts, it's not going to hurt anybody. All right, how to identify this. It's a perennial plant with a deep taproot, often found in disturbed soil, fields, and roadsides. Has a basal rosette of long, wavy edged leaves and tall branch stems with small greenish flowers that turn reddish brown, and that's where you get the seed, so it will redo itself. I will often point it out in my garden tours, so please be watching those as well. So the medical use traditionally is the root. It is used as a laxative. It also purifies the blood, purifies the liver, and if you have a deficiency in iron, if you're anemic, you would like to have this root. It helps boost your iron. The leaves, if you're using it for medicine, just like the longleaf and broadleaf plantain, if you're stung by a bee or ant bites or mosquito bites, you could chew the leaf and use it as a poultice and place it on the skin, and it will draw the poisons from the bug bites out. So the same for the curly dock. If you tea in a tea form, and it's only the root that's used for the tea, it helps with stomach aches and stomach cramps. Now, the edible young leaves can be eaten in salads or boiled for like a spinach or a mixed green. You could actually mix it in with any of your mixed greens and eat it that way too, or can it. It all works the same. Let's see. It's acid, which can irritate anthrax, binds with calcium, increases the risk of kidney stones. So if you're somebody who's risk of kidney stones, don't eat high doses of this, just every now and then. It also cleans out your intestines. That's one of the main things. It curls it, and it mimics the intestines curling in your body, so it helps go through and push out the crud. That's just the best way I'm going to describe that. So if you have gout, you don't want to use it And if you have the arthritis that cripples your hands, you don't want to use it. Because of the oxalic acid, it just causes problems. But if you don't get kidney stones but once in a blue moon, you're okay. If you don't have arthritis, you're okay. The only other side effect was mothers who are consuming this, and if you're breastfeeding, it may cause a laxative effect in infants. So you already know they got messy diapers. You don't want to add to your stress with more mess, okay? So those were the only side effects. Remember, you use everything in small portions. Don't overdo anything, and you will be fine. And that is all on Curly Dog. It was really short. All right, everybody, please stay safe. Please get ready and please get prepared. Frontier Mentality signing out.